Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. Just got a customer that came in and I keep on having it happen, so I figured I'd just do a video on it. The home button or the on-off button and the volume button and the Bixby buttons, they keep on popping out. And I just wanted to talk to everyone and sort of explain why. So yeah, if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. So anyways, what's happening is these buttons are actually breaking and busting. So what happens is when that breaks, you just actually have to get yourself a new volume button, Bixby button, or on-off button. And it's pretty simple. When that one breaks, what it does is the little clips on the back, the little clips on the side, they break off, and you just don't notice. And then you put it back in, and it just falls out again. So all you have to do really is, it's something you can do by yourself, you can do at home, and all you do is remove that that button, or if it's popping out, it already is moved, and then just take this button and put it back into place like so. And there you go, and it just sticks into place. So the brand new one will work fine. Same with this button and this button here. Now if it's not going back into place, then there's actually a piece of the button stuck in there, and then you might need to bring it to someone like myself. You can get these buttons, just message me and I can fire them off to you. I charge 10 bucks for these buttons, so feel free to send me a message and I'll get that off to you. All right, thanks a lot.